Hey guys, it's your boy Mark here. Welcome back to my channel. I am happy to have you here. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get your first 1,000 subscribers quickly. And by the way, before we go right into it, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure you like the video. I always appreciate it. I do appreciate it. Let's go right into it and let's go, guys. First option I'll be talking about is to pick a niche. Finding your niche on YouTube is the first success you have in YouTube. You have to try your best to narrow down as much as possible you can to find that niche. And when you find that niche, it's going to help you to determine the purpose of your channel. I can't stress this enough because finding that right niche will help you to feed the right video content to your audience. And when you upload random videos, it does not help your channel. Instead, it's going to harm your channel because most of your subscribers are not going to know the actual thing your channel is all about. In 2007 or 2008, when I posted my first video, I did not know anything about YouTube or anything about the laws in YouTube. All I knew that was I love watching reaction videos on YouTube. So one day I woke up and I was like, yeah, I could do this. I could start posting reaction videos too. Like, I love watching this. And all of a sudden, I did my first video and I posted it. And after I posted it, it was tagged copyright. And I was surprised because I never knew that YouTube had a copyright law. So in that case, that really affected me, but I didn't care. But I keep posting reaction videos because I was just playing around YouTube then. It hit me that after I got monetized, all those videos that was tagged copyright didn't make any money. So I was like, whoa, that made me to stop reaction videos on YouTube. I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake. I'm going to take you to my computer now to show you exactly what happened to me. From that, probably you will learn from my mistakes too. I'm going to take you to my computer now to show you how posting different niche videos will really affect the growth of your channel. Now, if you take a look at this, I've posted 3 new videos recently, and when you scroll down, you see reaction videos that I used to post before. And this video, the last reaction video I posted before was 2 years ago. Most subscribers I'm having from here are mostly people that like the reaction videos I was posting before, and this will really affect the growth of your channel. If I post new videos now, those subscribers that like those reaction videos, only few of them might be able to like the recent YouTube growth videos I'm posting or personal development videos I'm talking about finances. So when you look at my channel, you see that trying different niches on my channel have really affected the growth of my recent YouTube videos as well. But taking a look at this, I'm not discouraging anybody from doing a reaction video, but you can start your YouTube channel with reaction videos if you are really like into the reaction videos. But don't start YouTube reaction videos and start doing something else. Just make sure you focus on one niche because that will really help to grow your YouTube videos. Build your subscribers around your niche. Let it be that it's people that like the kind of content that you are making that is subscribing to you. With that, anytime you post a video, they will always want to watch it because they want to watch it because they enjoy it. They want to watch it, either they want to learn from it. And starting YouTube for the first time can be really discouraging. So don't be discouraged. Just make sure you choose the right niche and make sure that your subscribers is actually the people that love that niche. Don't post random videos. This is one of the reasons why I started talking about YouTube growth, because this will help me to grow my channel, and also this will help me to help others out there in order not to make the same mistakes that I made. If you have a niche you would like to talk about on YouTube and there is no demand for it, don't worry yourself, just relax. Make sure you talk about that niche, just start it and you create a very good demand for it, and make sure you make that video to be creative. And another thing is, YouTube is a very big community. YouTube is a community that is so big and versatile. There are so many hundreds or even thousands of communities out there. There is medical community out there. There is video editing community out there. There is anything you can think of, dancing community, anything you can think of is on YouTube. Most times I use YouTube myself to make corrections or to solve a problem or to find research or to just do anything I want. Any problem I'm having that I want to fix something, what I do is I go on YouTube and I will get it. So there is different community on YouTube. All you have to do is what? Select the community you want and find the niche, and when you are in that community, make sure that you are posting the right thing the other people that are already on YouTube are doing. When you're thinking about getting those 1,000 subscribers quickly, also think about how competitive your niche can be. Try your best to go on YouTube and check other YouTubers that are already in that niche. Check out their channel, think about what they do that keeps their audience to engage in their video, and think about what kind of content they deliver to their audience, and also think about what makes their audience actually watch them. With this, you'll be able to know how competitive your niche is. And YouTube is really versatile and really big. YouTube is just a one big community that has other branches in it, and this community is made up of different hundreds and even thousands of niches. You need to try your best to choose the right niche to make sure you know your niche properly in order to get those 1000 subscribers quickly and fast. Another super important option I'll be talking about here is make your YouTube video interactive. When you are shooting a YouTube video for your channel, do you add an interactive call to action in the beginning or at the end of your videos? Try your best to encourage your viewers to interact with your videos. This will also motivate them to engage more with your videos, thereby increasing your video retention. YouTube research shows that the average video retention is between 35 to 45%. But if you can get your viewers to stay up to 50 to above 50% in your videos, that is a great thing. And if you can have your viewers to stay up to 100%, that is marvelous. You can simply do this by telling your viewers or your audience to subscribe to your channel in the beginning or at the end of each of your videos, and also by asking them to comment down below or ask them if they have any other question in the videos. You can also tell them to share your videos on their social media platform. This will also help your channel to grow and also help you to get those subscribers you need. This will lead me to the next option, which is promoting your YouTube channel. This is really important, like really important. You need to promote your YouTube videos on various social media platforms. There are over 5 important social media platforms out there. I call them the fifth, which is F for Facebook, I for Instagram, P for Pinterest, T for TikTok, and T for Twitter. These social media platforms can really help you to promote your YouTube videos greatly. I can't even remember how many times I used the word really in this video, but it's really that important. And these networks are the great ones out there. Ask your family members or relatives or friends or anyone that knows you or anywhere they know you or whoever knows you, just ask them to share your YouTube videos on their social media platforms. This will encourage the awareness of your YouTube video and also help you to get more views from people that will watch your videos, and also they can become potential subscribers. Make use of these groups in social media platforms. When you share your videos on these groups, you get potential views and also potential subscribers. And make sure that you are focusing mostly on your niche, and also use the hashtag in these groups to get those views and subscribers quickly. The next option I'll be talking about is learn the SEO strategy. SEO means search engine optimization. Google is the highest, most visited website in the world, followed by YouTube. Imagine the kind of traffic YouTube gets. And using the YouTube SEO strategy will help you to generate those subscribers you'll be dying for your YouTube channel. And I'm going to take you to my laptop now to show you how this works. Right now, I'm going to take you to my laptop to show you how to use the YouTube SEO. I've already typed how to get. So look, how to get 1000, which is, if you look down there, you see suggestions YouTube have already made for me. This is to show you the number of how to get 1000 things people always search. Number of how to get 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Number of how to get 1000 followers on Instagram. Number of how to get 1000 FPS in Minecraft. So these are the frequent 1000 stuffs people always search on YouTube. With this, you can know the topic to talk about to get you those views, whereby these are the things people are frequently searching on YouTube and people are frequently watching on YouTube. So this will really help you to get those 1000 subscribers and also help you to get those views by using the YouTube SEO strategy. The use of YouTube SEO is really essential because it helps people who search the kind of content you create to be able to have your videos suggested to them. They will view these videos and possibly become potential subscribers to you. There are a few YouTube keyword search I can also recommend for you. I use this myself all the time I'm on YouTube, or all the time I'm using YouTube, or anything I'm doing on YouTube at all. I try to use it to even find what to talk about, or the topic to talk about, or the kind of things people search on YouTube. And keyword search will really help you to get those 1000 subscribers you are seeking for fast and quickly. Another option I'll be talking about is be consistent. Consistency pays. That's another key to success in YouTube. And YouTube always have over 1 billion hours streamed on YouTube on a daily basis. So imagine the kind of volume of people that stream hours on YouTube daily. I'll give you an example right now. Imagine you got a new job you literally don't know anyone in this job, it will take you a bit of introducing yourself to your colleagues and to your co-workers, and also gradually you'll be able to be acquainted to these people. When you get acquainted to your co-workers, that is how you get to know them. This is how YouTube is literally. If you are new to YouTube, it will take some time for the algorithm to even get to know your channel, to even get to know your YouTube videos, in order to be able to push those videos out there, and whereby people watch those videos, that is how you get those subscribers, and that is how you get those views. So you have to be really consistent. Consistency, it pays really on YouTube, and it pays gratefully. You can plan your upload schedule. This will help you to be consistent, and whereby helping the algorithm to notice your videos and be able to share your videos, in order to help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and get those subscribers you are just looking for. If you're a parent, you can try your best to plan your upload schedules around your work and around the days you are off from work, and this will help you to be consistent with your YouTube channel. And if you're a student, also try to plan your upload schedule the days you are off from school, or the days you have nothing really important happening in school. This will really help you to be consistent with your YouTube videos. Having upload schedule and also being consistent helps the YouTube algorithm to be able to promote your videos often, and also helps you to get those subscribers you are looking for. Schedule calendar helps you to plan your days ahead with the things you want to talk about, posting and editing of your videos, and this will actually help to promote and grow your YouTube channel gradually from those 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers till you get monetized. This is where I wrap up today's video. Just make sure you like the video because it helps the YouTube algorithm, and make sure you comment and subscribe. I always appreciate it. I do appreciate it. Comment down to tell me which of the options that I mentioned that you find useful, and I thank you and God bless. Peace.